Hey, did you do the homework?
Yeah.
I'm turning it at the end of the year, yeah. I don't know about you. What do you want? No. Wait, what are we doing today? I think she said we're doing the lab. And then
So he's hella annoying. He doesn't really do the lab with us. Yeah, and then kind of yeah, that's Alan.
Alright guys, I got the lab for us. It's catch the ball. So I'm thinking we set up like a ramp. We'll run a few tests, figure out the velocity, and then like we'll use that velocity to calculate how much distance it will travel after it flies off the table. Any questions?
Sounds brilliant. Get the balls.
I don't know why Jared's leading everything. It's like half the time he's talking, he doesn't know what he's saying. But I have calculus homework to do.
So I was thinking that if we let go of the ball at a fixed point, the velocity is going to be the same the entire time as it accelerates down the ramp, and then it'll just pop off here and go on.
But then it's gonna bounce there at the end.
But the bounce is like pretty much negligible if you think about it.
How is it negligible? It just bounces, it's moving, it has a vertical velocity.
Edwin?
The vertical velocity wouldn't affect the horizontal velocity, which means it wouldn't change the distance as long as the bouncing stops before it hits the table.
Wait, but that's not going to affect the fact that it's going to miss the cup, right?
As long as it stops the bouncing before the end, it won't change the vertical height and the horizontal height will stay, or horizontal speed will stay the same.
Okay. So, I guess you could say I'm one of the most productive people in our group. I mean, not most. I get distracted by a few things, like my phone, or just people in general. I try to keep the group on task to the best of my ability.
Oi, Edwin. 28.2 grams.
We don't need the mass
Why not?
because it cancels out when we do the math.
I just spent one.
But you see, Edwin, you see this? You see this? See this, Edwin? Oh, Jesus Christ. Edwin. See, the mass is very important.
No.
It accounts
No.
for the turn.
No.
I'm calling that.
No.
Alright, so energy is conserved, right?
Yes, Edwin.
Which means initial equals final, right?
Yes, Edwin.
So there's no initial kinetic energy and there's no final initial, so then there's
why not?
so kinetic energy or potential energy is mgh, and that's equal to 1/2 mv squared. So if you cancel out mass,
I'm going to lose, group. I think we should have stuck with my idea. Can you not see this? Can you not see? This clearly proves Edwin is wrong. See, Edwin just wants to be right because he's Edwin, but he's not Edwin. I'm Edwin. I'm right.
Go.
Yes.
Why do we keep missing?
Friction.
No, dude, you were measuring the board from here when you started like right here.
Wait.
So you have wrong measurements. You're doing the whole thing wrong for the last half hour.
Yeah, no, like, I think we're getting there.
Stop.
Having fun?
How'd you finish so fast?
Well, you know, whole numbers, some estimations, done. You know what else I got? I got the homework for tomorrow.
I don't really care what Alan and Lou's group are doing right now. I just need us to finish, and so I can get the lab report done tonight and not turn in late tomorrow. And I didn't even see a setup for their group.
What setup? All you need is imagination. Oh, it took forever, dude. Can't believe it took that many mistakes and corrections just to finish this lab. Alright, wait, hey guys, have you seen Mark? No. Typical.
Mark's a very interesting person. We don't know what he does a lot of the times, but he gets the work done, and that's all that matters.
Seeing them working so hard from news group and seeing them failing over and over again, but in the end succeeding, reminds me of one poem I learned as a child. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can't be done. In solemn pride he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. Had he the power he'd efface the history of the human race. We'd had no motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars, no telegraph nor telephone. We'd linger in the age of stone. The world would sleep if things were run by men who says it can't be done. Just like Luke.